Most new traders think you need to sit in front of a screen all day making dozens of trades just to make a few bucks. But what if I told you there's a way to trade just a few times a week and still grow your account? It's called swing trading, and for beginners, it might be the smartest place to start. In this video, I'm breaking down swing trading in plain English. No jargon, no fluff, just the basics you need to understand how it works, why people love it, and whether it's right for you. Let's jump in. Swing trading is a style of trading where you buy a stock, ETF, or crypto with the goal of holding it for a few days to a few weeks. You're not day trading, you're not long-term investing, you're looking to catch a move, ride the momentum, and then get out with a profit. Think of it like a surfer catching a wave. You're not trying to ride every ripple in the ocean, just that one wave with the most potential. Now that you know the idea behind swing trading, why might it be ideal for beginners? First, you don't need to watch the market all day. Swing traders often analyze the market after hours. They place their trades before the open and go on with their day. It's perfect if you've got a full-time job or you just don't want to be glued to a screen. Second, it's easier to avoid emotional trading this way. Because you're not staring at charts every second, you're less likely to make impulsive decisions. Swing trading gives you time to plan your trades and your exits. Finally, it teaches you core skills. You learn how to read charts, understand trends, and manage risk without the pressure of intraday chaos. These are the same skills used by full-time traders, just at a slower, more manageable pace. If you want to learn more, I've put together a free email series that walks you through the swing trading process, step by step. It's the same system that I wish I had when I started. You'll learn what you need to start, the most reliable swing trade setups, how to backtest a reliable trading strategy, and the mistakes that most beginners make and how to avoid them, and plenty more. Most people lose money learning this stuff the hard way. The free series shows you how to do it the smart way. Just click the link in the description to sign up. It's completely free. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more no-hype trading videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.